Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome to the channel. Yay! The van build's been going pretty good. Actually, I'm going to be taking a little break from that on videos. We're going to go ahead and we got a road trip coming up and also a couple other things I want to be doing too. I'll still be working on the van. We'll film that a little bit, but I got some new content coming out. But the reason for this video, it's about making money on the road. You know, I get asked this all the time, especially this time of year, because people are starting to leave Quartzsite, the south, and they're going to branch out through the spring and summer and fall. And a lot of people want to make some extra bucks. And, you know, if you go over here, like if you just Google work camping, look at this, near Havasu, Stagecoach Trails Work Camper, salary plus room and board, the Palms River Resort, Needles, you know, and Yuma, they got them. Full hookup plus pay. Some of these guys pay. A lot of them don't. You just get your site and whatnot. So, I mean, that's one good way to go. But I've worked camp. And I don't know. I never cared for it. Now, my good buddy Kurt with My Wind Stuff, he's made a good offer here to help. And also you can sell his premier products and whatnot. I filmed Kurt, is it just a few days ago, and he did a little blurb. Let's listen to him right now, then I'll be back.
Hey, Kurt again with My Wind Stuff. So I want you to understand that the life that we live, we've been on the road for about 22 years. All right, we was in the tool business first. We got into the premier products several years ago. If you're doing this, if you're traveling, you want to be a vendor, you just want to make some extra money, it doesn't have to necessarily be with premier product, okay? But if you want to reach out to us, you know, we can make suggestions. We don't know all the rules and regulations across the United States, but we can help you with, hey, you know, what do you consider to be a good location in said town? What do you have to do to comply? You know, do you have to get a business permit? Do you have to have insurance? What do you need? We can help you with all that. And as far as products go, because of the business that we're in, we have a lot of connections in the wholesale world. So, you know, maybe something like these Summit hammocks that we just did. You know, this is a great product too. Doesn't take up a lot of space. You know, maybe you want to do the rock straps. Maybe you're into puzzles. Whatever your thing is, the only thing that really changes is the product. All right? We can teach you how to sell. We can teach you how to choose venues. We can teach you how to whatever it is. We're sure not know-it-alls, but we're pretty educated in this lifestyle. So don't hesitate to reach out to us, even if it's not for the premier product. Of course, we'd love that because, you know, that's what we do. So 785-483-1309. You can get us on email at got-stuff@hotmail.com. And don't forget about Facebook at My Wind Stuff. We have almost 1,000 followers now, so we're so excited. So reach out to us. We'll see if we can't help you along the way. See ya.
All right, that was Kurt. Yay. Anyway, he's a good friend, but also he cares. You know, he's really good at vending. That guy's been doing it for 20 plus years. And they're really good and successful at it. And that's what you want to be. If you're going to make money on the road, you want to be successful at what you're doing. And whether you're selling spinners, tools, whatever, or any kind of functions, you might just want it for charity events in your local community too. So anyway, reach out to Kurt. I filmed him talking about those hammocks he just showed. So let's watch that segment and you'll see that. Then I'll be back. Whenever.
Hey folks, Kurt and Kinder from My Wind Stuff. Hey, we had this great idea and we come across these Summit hammocks. These are good for about 400 pounds. And down here in Quartzsite, we notice there's a lot of this van build stuff going on, a lot of the schoolie buses, and it seems like the bed is what takes up the most room in these things. So this is what we thought. We're going to take this out of the package for you. Comes in a nice little carrying case. It also has the tree straps, if you want to do the tree straps. All right, this will go around the tree. This is what you're going to attach your hammock to. It's already in the case. Ken? It's got the carabiners already attached to it. They call this a 2-person hammock. But here's what we're thinking. All right, so you're doing the van build, you got the schoolie thing going on. You're gonna clip one end to this side of the wall, sleep in it. The next morning you're gonna unclip that side. Ta-da, now you got all that space of a permanent bed that would have taken up. So we're gonna blow these things out at about 30 bucks. If you're not too far away from us, we can probably get you some free shipping on it. But I don't know, we just thought this was a great idea for a van build. Give us a call, 785-483-1309, or you can get a hold of us on Facebook at My Win Stuff. So tell us what you think. See ya.
Alrighty, there's Kurt. Now, that was just an example of how he uses YouTube and Facebook to, he found that product, he's going to blow it out cheap, you know, and he thought of the vans and schoolies and all that. But that's something to think about. If you're going to make money on the road, keep your eyes open, whether it's selling something locally from your own community, like homemade goods, woodworking, whatever. Or if you want to get into products like Kurt has and other vendors too on the road, it's a really good way to supplement your travel and make extra bucks and have fun and meet people. You know, you can do little community events. You could do one a month or one every day. Who knows? And you know, back east in a lot of small communities, they have localized flea markets and whatnot. And once again, this is how to make money on the road. Just suggestions, just ideas. I get this question every year, especially this time, because right now we're almost 1st of March. People are starting to travel. You know, the weather start warming up north and wherever. Also, if you want to have any questions about YouTube, I'd be happy to answer them. I'll probably do a live stream here shortly about doing YouTube as well. So that's also another way to make money. It's a very tough way to go, but you can also use the YouTube platform and Facebook platform, even at any level, even on your personal pages and accounts and whatnot, to assist you in making money, especially on the road. If you're RVing, vanning it, camping, or maybe staying at home for your own community and charities. All right, well, that's all I want to say in this video. Once again, I'm going to follow this up with a couple more videos about work camping and making money on the road. Okay, talk soon.